Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to withdraw the money from a Kik live streaming app. Now if you want to withdraw the money from Kik live streaming app on a device but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to withdraw the money from Kik, make sure that you have earned money on Kik.com through subscription, donation or ad revenue. Now you can withdraw the funds using these steps. The first step is that make sure that you have minimum payout required. So you must have at least $50 in a Kik balance to withdraw the funds. So if you have less than $50, then you won't be able to withdraw from a Kik balance. Second step will be to log into your Kik.com account, or you may simply open the Kik app on a device and you need to click on the option of profile icon. And if you see the option of create a dashboard on the app, you may click on it, but if you don't, then you need to open the Kik website on a device and you need to log in by using the same email address and password which you have entered. So after that, you need to click on the option of select create a dashboard and you'll see the option of payout in the left menu. So click on the option of payout and here you need to choose your withdrawal method. So you may choose the option of bank transfer, PayPal or cryptocurrency. So choose the option which you think is good for you. So after selecting your payout method, you need to enter your bank or PayPal details and click on the option of request payout. So you need to wait for the process of your payment, which is typically between 5 to 7 business days. So after doing all of it, you will be able to receive the payments on your bank or PayPal or the thing which you have included in it. So that's it. That's how you can withdraw the money from Kik live streaming app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.